Hi, my name is Mrs. Trin and welcome to the art room. We're going to take a tour. Right behind me, you will see our easels where different examples are posted, also examples of famous artwork, and notes to know will be on the front easels. Right over here is my desk area where I have a lot of gold, I love gold, and plants and pictures. We also have our cart over here, our blue cart, where we have glue sticks and scissors and open paints that we're using. Kids also come up to this cart to grab buckets of markers for their table when they have time for artist choice. Right behind me, you'll notice are all of our big art tables that we use while we're working. So there's a lot of places to spread out and work. So if you see your table, you can point it out to your family. You can show them where you sit. Also behind me, right here, you'll see some art smocks hanging up right there in the corner. So I do supply art smocks in the art room, but if you wish to bring in your own paint smock, an old t-shirt works really good for this, and then you can store it in your classroom. And then when it's your day for art, you can bring it with you and use it. But again, I have plenty, so if you forget your paint smock or if you just want to use the ones I have, that's totally fine. Over here in the back, you're going to see our giant bulletin board. It's that white rectangle, and at the top it says, "Art is monstrous fun." So right now, students are working on creating a name monster, which is a monster made out of the shape of their name. We're learning about symmetry in this activity, and the goal is we're going to put our hope and dream on our monster. So this is something that students want to try. Maybe it's like an art media or material that you've never worked with before and you would like to try it. This could be also something, maybe it's something that you're struggling with and you want to get better at. Your goal could also be an interest. So maybe, for example, you love watercolor painting and you want to learn more watercolor painting techniques or work with that media more this year. So those are some examples of art goals that students may have. You're also going to see all those bins behind me. There's lots of fun art materials that are stored in there, like pom-poms and sequins and gems, like stickers, all sorts of things that we use throughout the year. Over here are the drying racks that we put wet artwork, like paintings on there. There's the sink that we use to wash up if we're using something messy like paint. In this corner, you will see our storage area. This is where I store all of the art folders, and they are organized by day of the week. So if you have art on Monday, for example, you would have your class folder would be at the very top. So this helps to keep everything organized so we don't lose our work in progress. We have a mini class library over here. So there's lots of different books on these shelves about different artists, how to draw books, books about animals and places. So students are able to take these books out also during artist choice and they can use them. Over here, we also have our green shelves. So we have they serve as storage, but the ones right here in the middle that I'm showing you is where the artist choice station is. So students can come up here when they have extra art time, or if they finish early, they can grab white pieces of paper to draw on. Eventually I'm gonna have coloring pictures below there. There's construction paper, so all of these are choices when students have extra time on their work. And then we're gonna move right over here to our Elements and Principles of Design board. And we refer to this board as we're creating our art and also looking at pieces of famous art. And we talk about the elements and principles in those pieces. So this is the art room. Thank you for joining me on the tour. I look forward to working with you this year, and I can't wait to work with you on lots of fun projects, and it's going to be a good year. Thank you for stopping in and taking the tour with me. Bye.